Ava.
I'm Myah.
I'm Caylee.
And this is the Melting Crayons project.
So, what you need for the Melting Crayons project is a hot glue gun, a hair dryer, some crayons, and a piece of cardboard. So, you would start off by taking the hot glue gun and putting strands on the cardboard. Hello, I'm Ava.
I'm Myah. And I'm Caylee.
And welcome back to part 2 of our Melting Crayons project. Cameron's not here right now, he's actually in the audience. And we've worked on it off camera, but this is what happened when the blow dryer and the crayons came together. We did one part wrong, we didn't like take off the wrapping. So the science behind this project is the wax and the heat of the blow dryer mixing together, melting it, and actually when we stopped doing it and the next day, the crayons actually were in a different shape from when the droppings didn't come off. They would stay and turn back into a solid, and that's what happened on the cardboard. And it didn't come out like in a line because but that's because when the crayons were melting, the blow dryer's heat and the wind of it blew it everywhere. So that's it.
Bring it up to the camera.
You don't want to bring it up to
Oh.